Alright, ready? So the key here, boys, is this. Relax lang, follow my command, ha? Para you get to control the aircraft. Sige, hawak. Heels on the floor, apply power. Apply. Lang. Again, follow my voice. Pull right rudder. Pull left rudder. Pull left. Sige, pull left. Apa. Good. Sige, this time, right rudder, right brake. Pass. Good. Left rudder, left brake. Good. Release. Follow the brown patch. Ano masasabi mo sa turn when using brakes and without brakes? Ha? Hindi, ano mas sharp yung turn?
Yung may brake.
Alright, yung may brakes. Alright, sige, good. This time, heels on the floor lang. This time, I want you to slow down the aircraft using both brakes. Dapat equal pressure. Go. Medyo lamang sa kanan, release, heels on the floor. Pakita, lamang sa kanan. Sige, left rudder, balik ka sa brown patch. Too much left na. Balik ka lang dito sa brown patch. Yeah? Sige, isa pa, practice ha. Slow down both brakes. Go. Lamangan mo yung kaliwa. Yan, release. Ganun mag-correct ha. Sige again. Reduce power. Then slow down both brakes. Kaliwa. Kasi lamang nakikita mo nag-veer sa kanan eh, right? So sige, hawak lang. Left rudder. Sige, slow down both brakes, go. Much better, release. Left rudder, iwasan lang natin yung jackpot. Sige din, follow a straight path. Reduce power konti. Hindi, reduce power lang. Reduce. Hindi, konti lang. Relax ka lang. Pagka sabi ko apply power, wag mong itulak ng todo. Yung as needed lang. Pag sinabi ko reduce, wag mo rin hatakin ng todo. As needed lang. Clear? So sige, apply both brakes. Go. Good. Release the brakes. Apply just a tad bit of power. Konti lang. Sige. Until we gain momentum. Better. Release the brakes. Heels on the floor, left rudder. Then reduce power content. Good. Sige, we'll prepare for the turn, ha? Left rudder, 45 degrees. Good. Straight. Then right rudder, right brake, power. Right brake pa. Yan. Release the brake, reduce the power. Ganun mag-turn. Naramdaman mo? Sige, gawin mo mamaya dun sa taas, ha? Sige, go. Balik mo tayo dun. Now, if you think that the airplane is too slow, you can add just a tad bit of power. Good. Too much yan. Bawas konti. Good. Yan, maintain the power na. Don't move the throttle anymore. Tapos doon ka sa brown patch. Dito, left rudder. Yan. Huwag ka mag-deviate masyado sa brown patch, ha? Tapos iwasan mo yung jackpot. Right. Then left ulit. Parinig yun. The center lang. Yan, good. Now from here, you can play with the rudders. Full left. Full left. If you need to add power, do so. Full left lang. Sige, go. Alright. Hindi, reduce yan. Isa pa, full left. Reduce power konti. Alright, full left. Then full right. Good. Sige, release. Release. Alright, may brake yung huli mong ginawa, ha?
Ayun.
Heels on the floor. Power konti. Sige, prepare for the left turn. Right muna, right rudder, 45 degrees. Straight, 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 straight. And left rudder, left brake. Left brake, power. Power. Release the brake. Tama sa left rudder. Left brake pa, left brake, left brake, left brake. Yan. Release the brake, then continue forward. Alright, then reduce power. Stop, full stop, both brakes. Alright,